Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Wanted Russian Lady Gets a Surprise Visit from Police, Doesn't End Well. So let's get into the video. Let's see what happens, man. What are they talking about here? Let's do it.
Bridget?
I used to live here. I mean no harm. Please hear me out. I just recently found out that I have no family.
On April 20th, 2024, officers responded to a residence to serve a warrant for a woman who, upon being informed of her arrest, claimed she was a missing person and that the Russian government was searching for her.
She here?
Yeah, she's in there. She just says,
Not.
you know,
320
talk
is.
to her first.
She's not. It's right there.
Where?
In the passenger seat, sir.
Okay. Bridget,
Yeah.
what's your last name?
McCarthy.
Okay, can you step out for me?
I've done nothing wrong.
I know. All right, do me a favor and spin around. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Why are you rushing me?
Stop, Bridget.
You have
Bridget.
no.
We'll talk.
please.
We'll talk about it. For now,
got a
comply.
warrant.
So, don't do anything stupid. We don't want to get you an RNO2, okay? Sound good? We're gonna look into this warrant
I've done nothing.
and go from there.
There's no warrant for me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Put your hands together. Put your hands together.
You
your hands
must
together.
have. I have
Bridget.
rights.
No,
Bridget.
You have rights, yep.
Bridget, put your hands together, like you're praying.
Please don't assume.
Hands together. Bridget, put your hands together like you're praying. Yeah. Bridget, stop. Bridget, stop. You don't listen. If you stop now, we won't charge you with RNO. You understand?
But please stop.
me the
I
other
don't
hand.
just
Give
talk
me
to
the other.
hand.
Stop.
I
Bridget.
used to live here.
Okay, now you're getting an RNO.
No. I used to live here. My name is Bridget McCarthy. My mom was killed McCarthy.
Let's walk to my car. I got her. Ma'am, did you bring her here?
I did.
Why did you bring her?
I was trying to help her. We
Okay.
did. She told me she thought the
I'll be back.
house was empty.
Okay, I'll talk to you in a second.
We're gonna talk
Bridget,
to
do you
you
have
in a
anything illegal
minute.
on you? No weapons, no bombs.
No.
Okay.
Please hear me out.
Um,
Please listen.
Walk over here.
Please listen.
Walk
Please
over
don't
here.
work with me. I'm a missing
Walk over here.
person. Please check the FBI. Please listen to me. The Russians are looking for me. Please reason with me. Please
Hey, Bradley.
listen. Please listen.
How you doing, officer?
Good. How we doing?
Good, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. Homeowners?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I am just a pharmacy tech who was trying to help her. I gave her a place to stay a week
Yep.
over Christmas time.
1 second.
She showed up against the door.
Just hold on to her so I can put this gloves on.
Please
And then-
listen to me. I'm a missing person.
Go on
I'm a
her.
missing person. Please call the FBI. Please.
Bridget, do you have anything illegal on you?
Love me so much. I've done nothing
Bridget.
wrong.
Do you have anything illegal on you? What's in your
no.
pockets?
You've made search. I mean no harm. Please hear me out.
Okay, we're gonna confirm,
Please.
but it looks like you got a warrant. So
Could you please
I got it.
recheck? I'm telling you, Russia is
step
after
right
me.
here. My camera's
I
there.
will explain why Russia is after me. You can check my ID tag with the FBI, sir. Please have compassion for me.
Yeah, I'm good.
Please feel how thin I am.
I know.
Please know I'm suffering. Whose house was they bought it?
Why are you here?
My
This is-
mom's house was.
Well, Bridget, you know this isn't your house anymore.
I just recently found out that I have no family. Could you check?
Is this marijuana? It's not illegal to have marijuana.
Yes.
Okay.
That
It's not
is.
illegal. Just
No,
asking.
Is my medicine. And without money.
Who-
there's
is this lady helping you?
$3. Yes, she is. She bought these groceries. Look in her bag.
Okay.
Why'd we bring Bridget here today?
Because she had just, well, she showed up at my work today. I got out of work at 4 o'clock. And it's been getting colder. I took her out to dinner, and she's been sleeping in the street. And then she told me she remembered that her mom had gave her the house and I'm sorry, I'm nervous and stressed too myself, had deeded her the house. She has been homeless. She didn't have a ride. She doesn't have money. And so she asked me if I would bring her out here. I did. and then they were here, and then I can't tell because she seems so sincere sometimes, but then you know, some people at the pharmacy have a bet that she's schizophrenic, and I don't know, but she thought that these people would let her stay the night. I was about to take her to the Red Roof Inn and pay for her night. I pay for a night for her. I just bought her a whole bunch of groceries.
The Jacob Realtor said the title deed was in my name. So we
What is
bought
this right here?
groceries. Please listen to me. We bought groceries. You can check. We bought groceries. That is the bill I need to take to the FBI. They brought since
what is
it to me. They wish to kill me. And that's the evidence.
Okay.
Okay?
Who's trying to kill you?
Russia.
Russia? We're far from Russia.
No, we're not. We're having a big problem. But please,
No, just turn away. Turn it towards Fort. There you go.
it's Republicans, sir. It's Republicans.
Republicans who? Hey, you got a lot of stuff in your pockets, girl.
The Republicans framed my house. And now I need help. But I don't know what to do. It's my entire country. It's my country. I don't know what to do.
I've asked her like 10 times, are you sure you want to go back here? Because I didn't think that was a wise idea. I'm like, I should just take you to the Red Roof Inn. No, I know that they're going to let me stay. They're going to be nice. They're going to let me stay.
Nope.
Not a chance.
Okay. So
That's what.
Yeah, with my newborn, that's not going to go well either.
I figured. All right. We're gonna. She's got a warrant out. We're gonna figure this out. You know, I'm not exactly sure, but something. But we're gonna figure it out if they want her or not. So we're gonna work through that right now.
That's also part of her story too. She keeps saying she's being taken, and that some police are in on it.
We've had a lot of run-ins with. We've dealt with Bridget a lot.
Really?
Yep.
That's what he told us earlier.
Yep.
Shoot. So,
Yeah. No, that's fine. Yeah, we've dealt with her a lot. We're familiar.
So, have you been to jail before, Bridget? Huh? Bridget. Hey, you've been to jail before? Yes? So you know that if you bring anything illegal in there, because it will be an extra felony charge, right? Do you have your ID on you? It's in this pocket? Over where? Right here? Oh, is it your... All right, let's walk back here. Okay. Alrighty, let me check these cuffs for you. Make sure they're not too tight. And do you need to get checked out, or?
Oh, stop! Please, my first help. I should help move in. I see.
I'm trying to help you with it. Hold on. Do you need medical? What? You want to step in? Go and step in. Bridget, go and step in. Why are you shaking? You step in? All right, lean back.
You guys called? I'm assuming. Okay.
And I
He
actually
was just here
10
10
minutes.
minutes ago.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I just wanted to make a report the first time. 'Cause it's like this is
And we
weird,
have
you
the
know?
Ring camera, and I downloaded the video, so he told me to email it to him, and I just did, and then she came back.
Okay.
So there's proof that she was
What one called?
I called the first time.
Okay.
She
Then I called the second time because he was running out here.
Okay. Can I one of your IDs just to go on the report, or?
You guys are running deep today, huh?
Some of her belongings.
Hey, you rather be safe than sorry, right?
Is Sarge coming to check
Oh.
on us?
Can I send like some of her packs? She's got a walker, a wheelchair, a hat, a coat. She's got bags.
Probably not. Let's figure out what we're doing with.
I feel bad for this lady, you know what I mean? Because it seems like she's just trying to be a good Samaritan, but she getting mixed up with the wrong people. You know, this lady is clearly a nut job. And yeah, the old lady's just trying to help her out, you know, but why do you keep bringing her to a stranger's house? Because the lady, even though she's trying to help her out, right? They were there once. And she figured out the situation that, oh, these people, her people don't own the crib or anything like that. You know what I mean, right? So why would the lady bring her back a second time to these people's crib? I mean, come on, man. I get it. You're trying to be nice, but we got to have some common sense here. If you were going to bring her to the red roof, bring her to the red roof. You know, we'll give you a pass on the first time you tried to go there. We're going to give you a pass on that. But what we trying to understand is, why would you bring her there a second time? That don't make no sense.
Here first.
Okay.
She took advantage of your kind heart. You know, if everything you're saying is true, you know, she took advantage of you being a kind person, you know, unfortunately. Oh, yeah, they're definitely.
Told you, I feel bad for the lady.
Appreciate it. You want to trespass from the property, I assume?
Yeah.
Okay.
She said her mother had gifted her the title to this house and the car that's in it. And now that I was there today, she could have a ride to her house because she's been living on the streets.
Oh,
downtown.
did she say this is her house then?
She said this is her. She grew up here, and that she owns the title and deed to this house, and that's why she wanted to come here.
Okay. Well, from here on out, if you do, just know that she is trespassed here, so if she comes back, she is subject to criminal stuff.
I don't know if she remembers where I live. I kind of
Most likely not. So she's got a warrant. That's why we came up here and threw her cuffs. So because when she,
Can you tell me what the warrant?
I can't disclose that.
Can
But
you give her a hat? And
yeah,
check
of course.
it
Yeah,
at least?
yeah. That'll go with her.
Okay,
And
I feel so bad for her because she needs help, obviously.
Yeah,
she
so-
doesn't need harsh.
no. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna close this call out with. So it's gonna notify ISK, Integrated Services Kalamazoo, so that they'll come talk to her as well. I'm sure they will have contact with her in the jail. So.
All right.
So I couldn't imagine she'd be in jail for long. So, but that's kind of where we're at. I'll let her know that she's trespassed. I'll document it. If she comes back out here,
I just feel
we'll go from there.
horrible.
So,
But I also feel like gomer pile.
I did
Purple
email you
wave
those ring
story.
camera footages.
Okay.
There was 2 of them. That
So it probably doesn't really matter now.
Yeah.
yeah, no, it doesn't. But
They're
at
there,
least we
though.
got. So, all right, I'm gonna.
Did you get her meds?
Yes, actually, she said she takes meds. Is that in your car then? Hey, Bridget, the dab pen and stuff is gonna go with your friend, okay? All right. She can, as long as I can.
You know, those homeowners are nice. Cause me, I'm trespassing that other lady too. You're too dumb to freaking bring her back to my crib a second time. I'm trespassing her too. Get her out of here too. No, but I get it. I do feel bad for the old lady, but she's just one of those people that, I mean, damn, if she's falling for this, and we all can tell, right, that this lady is a nut job. Listen, if you watching me, you somebody with some brain cells. You know what I mean? I know you using your brain power, and you can tell that this other lady is a nut job, okay? So if the old lady is falling for this, just imagine how everybody else has been playing her, man. Like throughout her life. You know what I mean? I feel bad for the lady.
It's a vape.
Well, here's
Working.
her little thingies I just bought for her. And
What's
there's the juice that goes for nicotine. I don't know. I don't vape.
Nicotine's fine, but
And then this is her medication.
okay. You can, if you can take this. This is some of her dab stuff. It looks like, and there's some loose meds in there if you just want to hold on to it. Or so that looks like a dab pen.
I don't know the difference. Yeah, that looks like that goes.
Views.
To that.
Okay.
The views, yeah, because that was okay.
Is this what this is here? This will be fine in the jail.
Yeah.
But this stuff, if you, I'd appreciate it. And
Yeah, I'm not even gonna.
she's probably just gonna forget it. So, it's just a bunch of garbage. So.
You know, do you have a card? I just bought her $200 worth of groceries. I'm gonna see if I'll take them back.
You said what?
I just bought her $200 worth of groceries that's sitting in my car. I don't have $200 to spend on her groceries. She's like, I just need a couple things
So you need my card for.
so that this.
Hold on. You just brought $200 worth of groceries for her, and you don't have $200 for her groceries? Why did you buy the $200 worth of groceries? Come on now. No. The cop isn't gonna be, you're not gonna have the store call the cop and confirm that the lady, yeah, she could bring her stuff back. No, that's not how that works. No.
Store manager will take back.
Oh, just like to show, like, hey, yeah, sure, yeah.
They arrested her. Who do you think it's
Sure, yeah, of course. Are you suicidal? No. Are you hungry?
I'm bonded.
Because if you're hungry, they got food inside, okay?
Okay, sure, I'll take it.
All right, Bridget, it's going to be a minute. Again, you don't have anything on you, right? Because if you go in the jail with anything, it's be a felony.
Bonded.
You what?
I'm bonded. And I'm going to be released now because I'm bonded for the night.
All right. I believe you. I'm just trying to help you out. I don't want you to catch another charge if you got some or something on you. Because I didn't get a good chance to really search you, obviously, because I'm a guy, so.
Honey. We'll get this off you in just a minute, okay? Who's what?
I have a friend come to bail me.
Okay.
$100 cash.
All right, well, we still got to get you processed in and stuff, okay? You have what now?
Representation from me.
Representation? Well, that's good.
Fix my hair so bummed.
Okay. Have you been here before?
Yeah.
All right, separate your feet just a little bit for me.
The woman was charged with possession of a financial transaction device, illegal use of credit card, and resisting an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.